Today I'm here with my Whirlpool. This is a WTW4900 washing machine, and it's having a peculiar problem here. When I go ahead and I try to do rinse and spin, it starts making a clicking sound. You're going to see here in a second. So there it is. It just keeps making that clicking sound and it will not work. Let's go ahead and stop that. Let me unplug it. Alright, now supposedly what the problem is something called a shift actuator. And what that does, it actually just shifts the gear on the bottom of the motor to go from agitate to spin. And that's what the problem is. It's stuck somewhere in between, and that's the reason that it can't work. So we're going to replace the shift actuator, and we're going to see if that takes care of the problem. Okay, so here we are under the washing machine right here. And this is the shift actuator, this little piece right here. It has like a little bar. It's right behind there. This little bar just breaks. And that's what causes it to not shift. So you basically have to take this cover off right here, take that cover off, and then there's a couple of screws that holds this piece in, and then you can pull that out and replace it with the new one. All right, so here's the old piece right here. And basically it's just in here in position like this. Just goes up under here. It's clipped in with a couple of bolts, just like that, a couple of screws. You just have to have it lined up right there. And it has this one little plug in the back, this plug right here. So you pull that plug out, take out the two screws, one screw there, one screw here, take those two out, and it just comes right down. And here is the old one right here versus the new one. As you can see on the old one, the piece is kind of like in the middle there. It's kind of moving. On the new one, it doesn't move. It's just totally stiff and it's all the way at the end. So that's the difference. All right, so the new piece is installed and it's plugged in. It's ready to go. Now we're just going to put the cover back on. The part is in place. The cover's back on. We're ready to try it out. Here we go, guys. It's working. It's draining right now. Nice part. It's a shift actuator. Only about $20 from Amazon. It actually fixed my washing machine. There you have it, guys. Really easy to install. All right, so I just finished a quick wash and it actually worked perfectly. Went through the entire cycle like it normally did. It rinsed, it spun and drained just like it should have. So that part was it. The shift actuator was all I needed. A $20 part. My machine is back up and running. Right here you can see that it says done, completely done. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. And here we go. My towels are nice and clean. I just did two just in case. It didn't work, but it did. There you have it, guys. Shift actuator. If you're interested in purchasing this part, I will have a link to it in the description, but you are going to probably have to look up the exact part for your washer unless you have the same exact washer that I do, the WTW4900. But if not, you're going to have to find your own part or else this will not work for you, but it is called the shift actuator. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.